Good morning. What is up, my guys? How are we today? Are we all amazing? I feel like we all need to be amazing today. That is the only goal for today, to be amazing. And yes, I just said amazing. Very, very cringe, I know, but here we are. Alright, last thing. I really thought I was organized for once. So close. So close. Okie dokie. Hey, money team, what's up? How are we doing? How are you today? How's it been going? I nearly said how's it been hanging, but that's weird. How you doing? Wait a second. Sorry, there's some weird noises, but it's okay. Trina Rensler, hi. What's up? How we doing? Here we go. Nailed it, we're fine. Money team, I am good. I'm good. Okay. Now, what I wanted to do is I wanted to have a look at some things. Hello, sweetie pie. See, my dog's here to make sure we're all good. Hey, Ethan, what's up? How are we? How we doing? Okay. Yesterday's midnight open. Oh, that's, I was like, I'm missing something. That's my eyeballs. Can't see anything. Okay. Oh, look at that. Crispy clear. Let's get this thing started. First of all, first things first, let's mark out the new daily opening gap. Is there anything? I mean, there's a teeny tiny volume imbalance, nothing super special. But still, I will mark it out. When I say teeny tiny, literally, okay, TradingView had a gap there, that's nice. Just make sure this was not a gap. Yeah, we're good. Okay, I mean, it has been respecting it. There, not so much. Let's see if we get back down to this new level. Oh, we did. Never mind. Ignore me. I feel like a lot has happened today already, and okay. Anyways, now midnight. Okay, midnight is bearish again. Interesting. Okay, got the new weekly. Let me mark out yesterday's New York high and New York low, but New York high is here. Ah, not there. You little biscuit. There we go. Let's pop this back on. Oh, I'm sitting like a chop. Disagree, but okay. This is New York High. I don't know why it's actually showing it there, but whatever. This has not gotten with the program yet. That was taken out. We have Asia low. That has now been taken out. And Asia high. Awesome sauce. Asia high. Kind of conflicted, made an unholy amount of money on oil. Feels kind of wrong because I benefit from more. Oh damn, trader Renzo, that's rough. That's rough. But it sounds like the trading journey's been going really well then. Kalani, I've been funded. Yeah, where have you been? Well, I say been like it's been a while. I think I've been funded for like a month. It's not going great, but that's okay. We continue. Right, we continue. TY guy, I'm so sorry. Are you good? Well, apart from the keyboard having a mini meltdown. That's not so fun. But apart from that, are you good? What happened to your keyboard, by the way? Is that, I guess, low-key important? Just saying. Okay. Ah, that's been placed, that's been placed, that's been placed. I'm trying to decide if I overcomplicate things today or not. I know it's probably not a good idea to overcomplicate things. Oh, this was someone's TP. I wonder if they were taken out first, though. Maybe not. Ooh, are you here? No. Hey Sam, what's up? What is the firm? What fun? I'm currently with Top 1 Futures. What's up? Hey son, no, I've just hopped on. Definitely no open trade for me yet. There's still also 7 minutes until London or the new, let's just call it the new hourly. Let's not do that. Really? That is awesome. So what's the method that you're using? Out of curiosity, if you don't mind sharing your secret sauce. It's getting 6 out of 10. It is given minimum on 21. Last candle, you know, if it works for you, awesome. With the 1-to-1, you would preferably want a little bit of a higher win rate, I think. No, but if it's minimum 1-to-1 R, they're good. No, sorry, I thought it meant like it was 1-to-1 R standard. Funded account is free. No, sorry, Sam. No, funded accounts are definitely not free. I hope it reverses here. I need 300 ticks to pass you. I don't know if it's going to reverse. This might just be continuation bearish, and maybe in New York we will see a reversal potentially back. Where the heck? Do you know what? I have not been moving across the damn new. There it is. Oh, look at that. Great. We are stuck in the new weekly opening gap. Let's see if it breaks below it or not. I didn't even clock that. Wow. Okie dokie. Anyways. Okay, so now what I wanted to do is I wanted to do my top to bottom analysis. So let's start with the daily. Let's see what the daily's been looking like. Sure. I mean, in all honesty, on the daily, we're still stuck in this range. The question is now, again, we have left imbalances to the bull side, but does this want to come and sweep some liquidity before it takes out those imbalances? That is always the next question. But again, we have kind of just been sitting in this range for who knows how long now. Why am I vertical today? Louis, I always have 2 streams running, by the way. Didn't know if you knew that. But yeah, I always have 2 streams running, so you can just go onto my profile. Yeah. And then you'll see that there's 2 live streams. One's vertical, one's horizontal. Oh, thanks, son. Appreciate it. Hey, Kobe, what's up? Vincent, good morning. Question. Do I think trading live has helped me talk out situations and make smarter decisions? I'm a little bit conflicted with this question just because in a lot of ways, trading live, no, it's not easy. Because I got David screaming at me. No, so it's not easy for one reason and one reason only. I have tended to notice that people literally have a 50-50 divide and people love to throw their opinions of what they think the market's going to do next, which is fine, right? The point is you guys are seeing things differently, which is okay. The problem is sometimes I'll then get in my head going, oh no, I see it one way if they're seeing it another way. You know, you guys are way more experienced than me. Maybe I'm completely wrong. But it has helped. I actually can't even begin to describe how much this has helped me because, well, of a plethora of reasons, I guess. Number one is that I have learned so much just from you guys and from the chat, like things I didn't even consider before. I've learned oh so much. It is actually wild. It can be overwhelming sometimes, but you know, the point is that you still learn. So that's number one. The second thing is the community. Literally yesterday, I was chatting to Bob, I was chatting to Ash, and both of them were just like, okay, you've got, and I mean, I would be feeling really alone in this journey if I actually wasn't doing this. I would feel so lonely. Not saying I would have given up, but I would be thinking I was alone in feeling this way, right? You know, when things get tough, you then feel alone and you feel like, you know, maybe it's just a sign that you shouldn't be doing this. But yeah, I hope that kind of makes sense. Sorry, I went a little bit of a rant there. Low, I'm bound to reverse here soon. Clip inside, what the? Morning, mine. What's up, Debbie? The real green man. What's up? World of speech. Technical method, just simple continuation of trend from 50 to 60. Oh, the plus from range to 80% of the range. Oh, nice. That is awesome. Hello. Next low to target is Sundays. Do you think it's going to go all the way down there? I prefer watching your horizontal. There we go, Louis. Are you happy now? The one real green man, you gotta be a member to use the memes. Mr. Pix, what's up? I'm a good boy then. Hey, God House, how are you doing? Would I like to date a billionaire? A bazillionaire is better. There we go, Louis. Tell them. Big money that markets printing. That's why all of them sit on streams and later get community supporters. That's why all of them sit on streams and later get community support as subscription money. If you say so. 98.9. I mean, I've been now trading for not even a year yet and already funded. A lot of people say that's really, really good. And like I said, I wouldn't have known this if it weren't for this amazing community. Like I said, I don't ask anyone for money. I don't have courses. I did this because I didn't want to be alone in this. So do with that what you will. Anyways. Hey, Vila, what's up? Tippy top? You prefer trillionaires? Oh, good grief. Y'all are picky. Why did I jump to the 1 minute? I went from 4 hour to 1 minute. Okay, let's do 1 hour. I should maybe start focusing. Nothing super special. Retraced into there. 315. Okay, 315. If it's going to take out anything, it's going to be 315. If it's going to reverse, it's going to be around 382. Okie dokie. So that's the 1 hour, 15 minute. Okay, 15 minutes about to pop into there. 5 minutes. Yeah, bears are still roaring down. Get it? Yeah? They're still roaring to go. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm funny. Okay, let's go. Oh, I'm so cringe. I'm so sorry. I think I'm funny. Doesn't mean I am. But it's fine. Okay, this was the new weekly gap over there. I did mark out midnight. Kill. A kill. Kill. Rejection. Entry. Okay. Am I trading in QI? Well, micro futures to be fair. I will do whatever was that good. I think I'm a poor in air. Oh, good grief. Godhouse, you sound like me. Why would I if I know how to make money to share with majority useless people? Okay, then riddle me this if you will. Then why bother coming on here? Anyways, yeah, you're funny. Thank you. Are you asking if I'm short in real life, or are you asking if I'm in a short? Because I'm not in a short just yet. But anyways, I'm having a fun conversation with someone over here. Oh, for crying out loud. What is wrong with you? Sorry, I'm talking to myself. I know there's a plethora that's... A plethora is my new favorite word for some reason. Don't ask me why. Okay, bob to bob, so... Having a look at something. Decent 2-hour trade right there. Anyways, today I'm really I went on with a call with Bob earlier, well, yesterday, earlier for some people I guess, depending on where you live, and really went through the different basically confirmations. Just in the kind of way. Thank you, Louis. Ooh, there's a lot of messages. What's up? How's everyone doing? You like my tattoo? Thank you. God House, are you good? Are you okay? You sound like you're a little bit down in the dumps today. What's this look like on the 5 minute? Holy moly. All right then. Cool. A little bit of wicks, but nothing wild going on there. Okay, let's see what we get. Hey Eddie, what's up? Then don't you technically commend her that she's made it? Like, good on her for making it. Hey Stealth, what's up? How you doing? What is my position? I'm not in anything right now. Kinda sad and poor sadly. Oh, I hear you, don't worry. Me and you both, bud. What am I trading? What's up? To anyone? Do you know what I have not done today? I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. That is disgusting of me.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
How's everybody doing? Are we all doing amazing? I hope you all are great. So, just having a quick look here. This is Loki running away without me, but that's... Thanks, Debbie, I needed that. Okay, I'll wait for this to end. Yeah, Louis, I also wanted to say that, but it's fine. So, what's up to anyone that's new? My name is Maya. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am not here to pretend like I'm making millions or that I'm super profitable yet. So if you're here hoping to copy trade or something, please don't do that. Please don't do that. Now, moving on. Let us have a look-see if we can find something super, super amazing that can come into play here. So, oh, also I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I'm currently the micro Nasdaq futures to be specific. I'm currently on the 1 minute chart. I did do a top to bottom analysis. I've marked out the open. I want to see here. We're still getting a bit of rejection going on here. I'm forward testing this method. I'm forward testing this, so please. Yeah. This is a forward testing situation right now. So please don't anyone get super excited or be like, oh, look at this. Forward testing. Okay. No one take this, or you know, you shouldn't be copy trading anyways, but let's do this. So potential entry there. No, I'm just saying my opinion and I have nothing against you. There's no free meat and chum here. What I want to say, good luck with your journey. Ah, that's valid. We're all allowed our opinions. I get that. Don't stress. People do that. Yeah, no, they do that. Hey, boom, what's up? I'll join you on this trade, but I haven't taken it. I do not take it. I haven't taken this. This is not. Do not take this trade. I'm forward testing something. Do not take this trade. This is curiosity, seeing if I can actually identify this correctly or not. Okay. Alright. Right side at least. You're not married to one. Son, you think it's a good entry? Be top, where am I from? Oh, I am South African. What's up, everyone? How's everyone doing? We said, what if we move this to 50%? Yeah, no, and if this works, I'm kind of going to be shocked. Like I said, I'm forward testing, getting confirmations. It's a very bearish day though, so this very much goes against trend. So again, do not take this trade. Okay. No, wait, boom. I can't believe you actually took that. Why would you take it? What is wrong with you? This isn't even my strategy. I'm taking it on an eval. Oh, okay. Well, if you're out, that's on you because the stop loss is supposed to be lower. Technically, the stop loss, wait. Could technically put the stop loss, especially for one that's this close, at the 50% line. That would probably be better for a stop loss. That's why, see, this is why I'm forward testing. With regards to market like this today, if you put it there, I did have it there. So I would have technically still been in this if I did take this trade. This is still a decent rejection. Here now would be a decent wick. If it breaks above this with some solid oomph, it's a good to go. Bless me, sorry. Ah. What time is it in South Africa? It is 9:14. Please don't take this, boom. Please don't take this. What is wrong with you? I think these are hands-off conditions. Interesting, Damon. Why do you think that? Oh, gosh. I'm probably having a hard time making money because the stream is trying to lull us to sleep with this piano music. You know what? And I'm trying to decide if this is rude or not. Do you know how many people? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, we're good. You know how many people have said that they use my stream to fall asleep to, and I'm just like, okay. Okay then. It feels rude, but whatever. It's 2:15 a.m. Why are you awake? goodness gracious! Slow recovery, but yeah, true. See, the same chart I'm looking at or what? We're free falling. I mean, we're not so much free falling anymore. It's kind of taking a chin chill right now. Oh, as I said that, it started falling. Never mind. I see a good rejection. I'm in it for testing. Hey, Axe, how you doing? Yes, low alert, just about to go off, so I'm less likely to short. Angry Bob, no, I agree with you. That's why I didn't take this. I was curious about something. Like I said, curious about something. Why I didn't take the trade, boom. I mean, boom, it's still rejecting that 50%. I'm not saying yes, please. I'm not saying yes, please. Okay, now that a little bit more confirmation is happening. Let's see. Let's see. Focus on my bias based on 50 minutes. So yeah, this is no man's land for me. That's valid. Oof, nearly put me in the... God, how's are you okay today? Aww. Well, no, I know you were. I know you were. I was messing with you. I like 2 for 360. Wait for 374 level. I'm keeping eye on oil today. Oil goes up, NQ goes down further. Now we're making have question. Wait. What does this look like on the 5 minute? Boom, I lied. Sorry, the entry would be above here. Sorry. That would be the entry. If an engulfing candle came and took this out here, that's the entry. Apologies. Like I said, it's why I'm forward testing this. I'm getting confirmations. That was a good rejection. But it needs to be an engulfing backup. Respecting the 50% of this. Let's see how it looks on the 5 minute now. Boom, get out of it. Just get out of it. This is my funded. Reagan, what's up? This is legit a really good potential point for bounce, especially this time of day. Ah, thanks, Angry Bob. Like I said, if it comes to take this out above here, yeah. If it becomes a proper engulfing candle. Huh. So that would be the trade. Maybe push it to...
Why are you doing this?
There.
Why are you even thinking this way?
Let's see. Like I said, I'm forward testing this today. Which is why I told you not to take it, boom. Good grief. I believe in you. That's mean. Why would you do that? We'll be at around 505. Maybe make it. I mean, if you want to have it safe, I guess you could put it at the bottom of the new weekly opening gap, which is at 500. How many contracts did you go in on this, boom? When will I play Minecraft? You want me to play Minecraft? I don't know if I would actually be able to. This actually is looking really good here. Just nearly a 1 to 2 hour trade. So now you would have it at the bottom of that wick, giving it a few. Entry would be there. Yeah, basically a 1 to 2 hour trade. Boom, this still has potential, by the way. 3 micros. Boom, I low-key want to take it. Should I take it for one? Could be a rejection offer there, though. Good testing. Oh, thanks. Angela, I appreciate it. I would assume that people put sell orders above bars. What do you mean? One broke trader? 2 minimum. Take it, let the bottom be your stop loss. Oh no, there it goes. I'm sorry, Bob. If this 5-minute flips green, I can get in. I'm watching this. If it rejects again off of this here, maybe. Oh no, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This is why. Don't. I even said forward testing for a reason. If it wasn't engulfing, it actually would have been really good, but it didn't, so it's okay. I'm sorry, Boom. I don't know why you're upset with me. Not 1 inch of me said take this trade. Hence the forward testing. Just saying. Still have my express. Reagan, what do you mean by that? Stockmarket taking us. Our market is bearish. It's so nice. It's puking. Yeah, exactly. No, what do you mean? Why I didn't take a trade, Janto, and it's like I said, I'm forward testing something. I want to see if it's if it works. So I mean, there technically wouldn't have been tagged in. Boom. Well, Boom was tagged in because Boom decided to do that. I don't know why, but anyways. Decent dolphin down. Wait for close above the gap. I took them sells. Let's go. Aw, thank you, Louis. See, Boom. Louis heard me. We're in a bear breakout, so people sell for every conceivable reason to pull back. For reason bar such a reason. Why? Good price to buy is 335. It's okay. Market moves how it moves exactly. Going lower. Let's see here. This now looks low-key Nami. But that being said, that should theoretically be the range. If this thing starts pushing back up, I'm going to laugh. Oh my gosh, it's still rejecting off of this 50%. Why? Wait. I'm gonna put this trade back up. It might just end up being a 1-to-1R, but I quickly want to see something. Like I said, if it does this, and just follow this down, TP stays the same around this level. 505. Yeah, 1.7, that's fine. It's still rejecting. Come in. Come on, engulfing, let's go. Very good rejection off of there. This is entertainment purposes anyways, not financial advice. Like, since we're entertained, like a guy in the crowd in the movie Gladiator. How do I find these? These are Bob levels. These are some secret sauce levels. Like I said, I hopped on a long call with Bob last night. We went through a bunch of confirmations and hence why I'm forward testing today, because again, I did this last night. Boom. So here would be entry for a long. Okay, would be entered in along there. Let's see if this would have worked. 1.6 hour trade, not bad. I would have maybe given myself a few little extra. Yeah. Few extra. Let's see if this would have been a win or lose. Up higher coming in. Didn't you pass an eval? Do you still? This is the funded, Reagan. I'm back in redemption. Really? Why, Boom? Why? Are you just having fun now, Boom? I swear you're just having fun. So value up once prices in the area, that's your entry. And barbed wire overlapping bars, a trading range of breaks up to the upside is not the high probability event. It probably turns into another bear flag. Be sweeping liquidity, then back up. Interesting. And happy Friday. Guys, it's Friday the 13th today. Again. Good rejection. Okay, we'll tap back into that fair value gap. Let's see. Oh, it didn't take it on ES. Oh, it didn't take it on ES. It didn't take it on ES. What's this look like on the 1 minute? Wicked in there. Here we go. Boom, if this works. Use me as your test subject. There we go. Okay, well, didn't quite retest there. What the heck? Charlotte, still sitting on 48k. When are you going to make a move? I don't know if you want to go long now. Look at the 1 hour. Go check the 1 hour now. Like I said, guys, I'm forward testing something. Forward testing. Hey, Ninja, what's up? Forward testing being the keywords right now. What does it look like on the 1 hour? Let me quickly turn this off. You know, this could come in full, this fair value gap. At least come tap back into it on the 1 hour. Now that it's kind of hit this order block here. Or support area, whatever you want to call it. It hits the support area. This could actually go back up. Oh my gosh. Did I see this correctly? How am I 13k subs old, Ninja? That is hilarious. Waiting on the retest, then stop loss should be below that last candle to manage less risk. Yeah. Like that. Need to wait for finishing hour. I mean, it's only a half an hour here. Huh. I think he is actually considering it now. I think you just need to hear it come. Boom, how are you feeling right now? Last 30 minutes of 4 hour relief sweep before downward continuation. Let's see how this works. If this works. If this does. You'll best believe I'm going to start doing this. Happy Friday the 13th, by the way, guys. Let's all hope we don't all get
emotional damage. damage.
from this, but we'll be fine. Sorry, just taking notes of this. Okay. Let's see, hit that little bit of resistance, hit that little bit of resistance. Okay, failed. Well, failed to break higher for now. Ooh. Why are we not working? Can we please? Thank you. I'd want my stop loss below so that would be better for entry if I had to take along using my normal strategy. I'm gonna crash heavy with what's going on geopolitically. If it sits up, you take it. If it doesn't, no trade. Not bad now. Less algorithm shorting. Hey Ronnie, what's up? This is definitely not a good time to trade. The volume is so little, there's a high chance of manipulation. Am I in the charts? I'm forward testing the charts, so yes and no. And if you look past the charts, the little reversal takes place a lot around this time. It's either reverses or it's just retracement into a node. Only a small group of traders can consistently make money buying in a bear trend. One should consider he isn't part of this group. One broke trader, like I said. Good grief, how many times do I have to freaking say this? I am forward testing something. I am aware that it is very much a bearish day today. I am very aware of that, which is why I did not take this. I am forward testing off of confirmations that I went and back tested yesterday. And again, like I said, it's why I'm not in this trade. It is why I'm forward testing this trade. And if it does work out on a day where it is definitely bearish, then I'm sorry, then this is a banger freaking confirmation system. Okay, it might dip just a little bit and jump up into the green. Next week it'll drop again. Stops at 434. Oh, so you basically break even now. Alex took the trade I'm in. Wait, what? Alex, what? 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 You took this trade? Use a 21-day EMA. It always bounces off after breaking to go higher. Yes, and I'm her test subject. There we go. Yeah, because Boom doesn't care too much. And Boom's on an eval. I'm on a funded, which is why I'm not gonna go and do forward testing on my damn funded account. March is a green month till now. Will it be green or turn red at the end of the month again? Ah, Brody, with how things are going. TK Elite, what's up? I'm on the 1 minute time frame. How you doing? But with how things are going, I wouldn't be surprised if it closes red. Okay. Okay, that looks like that. Should we make this a fancy color or no? No. Let's make this freaking bigger so that people can see. Cool. Bold. Make it, oh, we can't underline it. Ah, what a pity. Damn. Okay. Problem solved. Oh, you passed your funded yesterday. Whoop whoop, that is amazing. Well done. And thank you, Debbie. You don't do it. It's called XP65. If the dollar goes up, the market typically goes down. If dollar goes down, market goes up. Rob, but that makes sense, right? Especially with gold and stuff. I just find it wild that the dollar's actually going up right now. Yeah, personally. This is a good spot for a deeper retracement. I've been saying much to Mexican friends lately. It means a lot to them. Oh, Kat, I feel like you've said that one already. Just saying. You smile, this amazing community is all because of her. No man, ninja. The break on oil bullish move. So, it's just. Yeah. Okay, let's not get into politics. Let's not get into politics. A little bit, Bob. Why do you think I had to put this on? But, Bob, come on. Come on. If this works, I feel like I'm allowed to throw this in some people's faces. As long as oil is bullish, the indexes will be weak. Bearish? Paul, did you mean bearish? Not hearing my voice for 5 minutes is the best honor to receive from it. Listen here, David, then put me on mute. When you're a trader, you have to be aware of politics. I know, I'm aware of politics. I just don't like discussing it on live. Yeah. Damn, everyone came in today being like, shall we be confrontational? Well, it's entertaining, so you know what?
Nice.
Bring it on. Let's do this. It makes for good debates. I am break even now. There we go. Boom. So either way. Cool. Let's see how it reacts. I mean, it is going slowly up. Like I said, might go back down. Might just tap into the new weekly opening gap. But yeah, 1.6 hour trade. That's not bad. Stop and profit for 50. Nice. Rob M, let's fight. What? What? Me and you, we're gonna have a fight now. Okay, okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's fight. Let's fight. Let's fight. Let's fight. What are we gonna fight about? You have to, yeah, you have to tell me what we're fighting about. I have to get revved up. So funny, people don't want to talk about what's going on in the world. I find that weird. It's not that I don't want to talk about what's going on in the world. It's just, you know, everyone is allowed their opinions. No one is going to have the same opinion 100%. Why cause unnecessary debates? It doesn't seem relevant. We are here for one reason and one reason only. It's because we all love trading.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
So I mean, you can have it. I've set this to 505, but that's like on the edge. If you want to set it to the new weekly opening gap, like the edge of the new weekly opening gap, it's at 500. That's up to you, Boom. But it is. Sorry, Ninja's comment.
Emotional damage.
Anyways. Hey Ramdy, what's up? Yin and yang, just like in markets, about half people are bears and half are bulls. Exactly. No, but it is debates. It is debates because people have different views and different ideas. There's always going to be a debate. You can say brown, someone else might be color. Wait, let's try this again. You could say one thing is red, someone might be colorblind and say it's brown. Neither is wrong. Because for someone who's colorblind, yes, it looks brown. Just saying. Oh, what's that saying? It's just, you know... Why would the... Oh, no, you know what? Actually, it's not even worth going through that. Trading broker name. I'm currently using top 1 futures. You hate trading. No, Paul, then... Yeah. Well, it's not even that I don't want to lose viewers. It's just, it's not worth the debate. Everyone's entitled to their opinions. It's the same thing with strategies. Let's open this can of worms. Why not? While we're at it, how some people absolutely hate ICT and some people love ICT. ICT works for some people, others really, really hate it. All allowed your own opinions about it. What is the blue line? This blue line here. This blue line is just the 3 AM open. That's about it. So Boom's gonna take it to the blue line. Oh, thank you, Debbie. You're trying to long? Actually, for colorblind people, red is green. No, it's not. No, it's not, David. Trading because people don't take it for that reason exactly. Now, the colorblind person bolsters the pot. Listen here, Ninja. Feld, you going all in? Whatever makes us profitable. Exactly. Whatever works for you at the end of the day is the only thing that matters. That's literally it. A whiff. Now, I just want to set this up with this out of... Grr, who are you growling at like that? That was very intimidating. Okie dokie. What time zone am I in? Well, I'm in South Africa. Good grief, what is South Africa's time zone? I don't actually know right now. Wait, opinions are like buttholes. Everyone has one. And they all stink. You know what?
Nice.
That was Angry Bob, that was awesome. Yeah, you get different types of colorblind, by the way, but no, it's not that they mix up the colors, they just struggle. Yeah, that's a whole debate. So I became a trader, so I can say whatever I want. No one cares what other people think about it. Boom, it's been cooked again. Good luck. Well, let's see, son. Let's see if this works. So boom, you just took it to the blue line. What kind of stock should I trade as a beginner? Well, I started with micro Nasdaq futures just because you don't blow through as much capital. That's about it. And the spreads are a little bit nicer on the futures. And it's what my friend introduced me to. That's about it. Rar and Moo, I made this song. Oh, really, Louis? Did you post it in the Discord? I'm gonna have to go check it out now. Took this trade to pass eval, let it run. Mike, are you serious? You're confusing your park bench friends for the color blind face field. Ninja shapes and colors. Wait. What time is it here right now? It's 9:45 in the morning. Anything works if you stick with it long enough. I'm literally enjoying it. When you say Jay can turn any strategy into profitable one, just don't give up. There we go. Thank you. Hey, how old am I? How old do you think I am? And how much experience do I have in trading? Not that much at all. I'm still a beginner, guys. I have not even been trading for a year. I'm not ashamed to admit that. I'll post here, but heck yeah, Louis, let's do this. I'm keen. I'm so excited. Decent wicks going on over here. What does this look like on the 5 minute? Okay, let's try that again. Okay, not great wicks on the 5 minute, but a really, really solid engulfing candle coming off of there. Yeah, let's see, boom. I mean, sorry, either way, you're in a little bit of profit. I know you had that loss earlier. I'm sorry. No, I'm not sorry. I told you not to take it. Okay. Oh man, you damn hiccups. Leave me alone. I think it's because I sometimes talk too much and I forget to breathe. I mean, that would do it. Laswani, good question. There's still debates. I think at the end of March, 100% South Africa time, it will be open at 9 a.m. But right now, there are still debates about this and that. Okay, just saying. Am I 19? I'm not 19. Cameron, it really, really is. Trading South Africa time is amazing. It's all during, well, not all, but you know, Asia isn't during the day, but London and New York are both during the day. And then you can carry on. It's awesome. Good short, nice. The Spanish channel I'm watching has many words I do not understand. Yeah. Anyway. And she looks 19 though, and that is what matters. Thank you, Louis. I will take that. I will wear that like a badge of honor. Hey, Sona, what's up? Asia usually isn't too excited. I know, that's also the thing, right? Asia's a bit me. Can be awesome, can be me. All depending why. Okay. Oh, I see someone's asking about gold. Should we go check out what gold looks like out of curiosity while this kind of comes to a confirmation on what it wants to do? She old guy. Boom! You are older than me by a few months, but still older. Just saying. That's why when she's 90, she'll look like she's 79. What's up, Slolly? Slolly just in the background waiting for his time to pounce. Aw, no. Boom, did it take you out? I'm assuming it took you out. Hey, Liam, what's up? You're 19 and I'm 20. I've been trading for 4 years, have been profitable for a year, and live in Germany. I trade the London Frankfurt session and it opens in 12 minutes. Hey, Marcel. But you've been trading for 4 years and been profitable for a year. That's awesome. What trading strategy do you use? 1, 2, 3, and boom. 15-minute rejection now going down. You're so young. That sounds like a win, boom. I don't know why you're complaining. Just saying. Maya? Sorry, that was a proper, like... It's in the description. Well, it's the title! Anyways. Okay, you keep sighing like you have bills to pay. Okay, you do you. Sorry, my dog. This little freeloader. 46603 could make support. Like I said, let's see how this goes. I'm still curious about all of this. But I'm not taking it because, I mean, this is low-key a bit of a hands-off situation right now, but we continue. Boom, if this taps into TP. I'm not saying it will. Wow, I'm feeling a little bit, like, confident today. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. but we're going with it. Michelle, what's up? Okay, I got back in. Ooh, are you just like, you know what? Today is a ducat day. Let's just play around. Let's just say screw it. Let's see what happens. Is that what's happening today? Hey, the fearless. This is not a pair. This is the Nasdaq futures. If I did that, I've already got 9 years left. Oh no. Are you back in on a long or a short, Boom? Yeah, I made like 25k this week. I'm done trying. Yeah, valid. Okay. If you're feeling confident, go buy a lottery ticket. Yeah, no. No, that's feeling lucky, not confident. There's a difference. I'm never feeling lucky. I'm just taking this trade for you. I don't think you are profitable because I'm not. Ephraim. Anyways, why not gold? Oh, gold's a little bit volatile for me right now. I think it goes Nasdaq, maybe ES. I mean, Nasdaq and ES are, you know, Nasdaq's a bit of a diva. But then gold, and then silver is a scary, scary game. I'm risking 750 on this. Why? Why? Boom? Why? Are you low-key trying to blow this account? Good grief, I don't know how to type anymore. Oh no. I saw the Discord people now having a big thing about this Friday, the 13th thing that's happening. No, Wait for Boom, I need to get like you. Yeah. My country, I'm from South Africa, the feelers, what's up? No leverage? Am I trading every day? Yes. I am indeed trading every day. I'm here every day, sorry. Okay, can everyone read this before everyone starts coming at me again? Good grief. This potentially would have been the trade. Like I said, this is kind of a hands-off market right now. Very slow, no volume, but let's see. Come back in. I know this is not going with the market, which is again why I did not take these trades. If they work out, awesome. If not, it is what it is. But the low volatility and low volume right now is yeah. Okay, going down. Damn, Boom. I really hope you were joking about that. But anyways. Hey, Trade Delicious, what's up? Oh, they're going to went to preschool in the Old Testament. Wait, Ninja, how old are you actually? I trade some ICT concepts. What's up, BitKiller? How you doing? Uh-oh. Oh, damn, okay, so if I'd taken my trade, that would have been instantaneous stop out. Let's see how it reacts to this volume imbalance down here. I need to marry you. My number. 911. Talk about hardware, software setup. Do I trade all the sessions? Just London and New York. I don't trade the Asia session, sorry. OMG? Ayo, what's up? What's OMG? Ninja, take a guess. Ninja is 20. See, now I don't believe you because the other day Ninja said he was old. So now I'm confused. Decent rejection again off of the interesting. I'm not joking. Why do you need to marry me? Any other assets? Gecko? No, just the MNQ for now. Maybe one day when I'm big and a bit more bold, I will start having a look. I did have a look at gold here and there. I will have another look. So there is... Okay, let's quickly hop into gold out of curiosity. I want to see how it's been respecting the levels on gold. Oof, just missed it there. Just missed there. But this was a pretty solid level to level. What does this look like on the 5 minute? Projection off of there was solid. Made inverse fair value gaps on the 5 minute on the gold. Sorry. Like I said, I was just having a quick look at the gold levels. Oh, it doesn't go higher, but you can see here this is where the next level around there would have been. Interesting. Okay, sorry, let me just turn the gold rush indicator off and go back to MNQ. Okay. 5 minutes still rejected off of there. Okay. Actually, that's a pretty solid rejection on the 5 minute. That was a real solid rejection. Okay. Hey Khalid, what's up? No, Ninja's like 47. It continues to rise finally. Ravi? No, not exactly ICT. I use some ICT confluences. How long have I been trading? 11 months? I'm going on a year. I'm going on a year of trading, guys. I thought I'd get it there first. Time frame. This is currently the 1 minute, but I was looking at the 5 minute earlier. What's your take? To Nas? Ernest? I don't really look at it, so. Oh, thank you. Inverse periodic gap is interesting. Candle opens is when reversal happens. Ooh, actually, that's a good point. Wait, where are we looking? What time is it? 59. This could want to go back up. Or might want to take out the low before reversal happens. Let's see. Oh yeah, here's the new hourly candle opening. Oh damn. Something to be aware of. Oh, don't worry, Kara. I really do look at the 4 AM candle. Victor, why is my account not growing? Because I'm being very conservative with it now, and I am also forward testing something here right now. Yeah, that's basically it. Victor, how? about that. Take a lot delivery. Ooh, what did you get? Sweet. Be interesting. So to answer your question, I'm 20, but 7 years your senior. Ninja, you are so funny. Oh my word. I mean, this is just actually a hands-off market right now. This disgusting price action, but like I said, I'm forward testing this. Just shows, just stay hands-off. Stay off of it. I think I need to do the sprinkler dance just for Bob if this works. Because this right here is Bob to Bob level. For my analysis, I use MP and VP. I tried VP. It was okay. Technically, these are a form of volume profile levels. All these suitors coming out of the woodwork. You should do a reality TV show where you can propose to dudes and eliminate the dorks. Lou, I can't be mean to the dorks. I'm a nerd. What is that saying if I'm like... I'm just saying. That would be some double standards if I did ever see any. And yes, I say standards because it's funny. Damn. Yeah, but nerds aren't dorks. Okay, what would you say is the difference between a nerd and a dork? Cameron, you added to shorts. Can this hit TP already? Boom. This is why this is a very much hands-off market. You are... you wild for wanting to take this, but anyways. Told you I'm on the young one vibes. Why is it too big? How did I start learning how to trade? Big chicken? Why did I start learning? Or how? How did I start? How? A friend taught me periwinkle! Perry! A friend taught me the... Okay. Okay. Sorry, the pool guys are here, so... Anyways. Best way to keep thing. Nerds can be... this is a fun... Trying to trade a wrong asset. How am I... Okay. Yeah, sorry, it was the pool guys. I was like, maybe I should go and check. Perry would be intense. Damn, he was like jumping up on the door and everything. Okay. Poor discipline in that house. How? Real J. Took a similar trade but on Ethereum. Oh, interesting, Vaden. How did it go? So nerd is cool, smart, and plays D&D, capable and has skills. Dogs are unaware and fart when they have headphones on because they think the music is drowning out the noise. Louis, that was hilarious. Okay, so this would not have worked, so that would have hit stop loss there. I'm gonna keep this up, obviously, because I'm forward testing this. To see, I mean, it was headed in the right direction. It was a bit of it was a good rejection off of there. Let's see how this works again here. I'm disgusted by the price action. I hear that. Just hit first target at 2. Yay, Cameron, whoop whoop. I made hopes in my life. The profit split should hit my account by next Tuesday. Beans on toast, that is awesome. Nerd is considered a talk is socially awkward, I guess. Okay. Not gonna say anything else. I don't know. Dumb question. What's the difference between a high low and a swing high? Is there much of a difference? Is it not always a swing? No. Maybe it would be the higher time frame? Yeah, good question, Big Chicken. Am I forward testing a new strategy? I don't want to say it's a new strategy, but something I've been looking at, but I really went into depth and got some more confirmations and did some more back testing. So wanted to see how it worked. I mean, it was a decent rejection. It was in the green, it just obviously of higher time frame, and that's okay. Hey Felipe, what's up? Second target at 3 I just hit. I'm short from 520. Damn, that's a banger. Nice. Alejandro, that is awesome. That is a banger trade. Well done. This low-key feels rude. Okay, like I said, I'm still watching this. It's still respecting the 50%. Let's see what happens. 4.5k up. Damn. What do you trade, Alejandro? Watching in horizontal tonight. Insane vibe shift. Explain how? Thank you. Oh, nice. Okay. How long have you been trading for, Alejandro? Are you on... Do you use a prop firm? Sorry, I ask a lot of questions. I hope you don't mind. Tagged out there. Okay. Let's see what happens now. Decent rejection. Feda, how long have I been trading? 11 months! I think it would actually be 11 months exactly tomorrow. Yeah. If I'm not mistaken, the first trade I ever took was on the 14th of April last year. Which is super exciting. Upper rejection. Oh, there's a New York low. This is pretty juicy. Who has a TP at 313? To be fair, I was about to blow 52 evil, just shorted and went to sleep. I mean, that's nice. Do they have like consistency rule or anything, or you just now you're happy and you're good to go? Kind of sounds like you're happy and good to go. Well, this community was my mentor. I had someone teach me the basics, like, you know, fair value gaps, order blocks, swing high, swing low. Like, I mean, I didn't even know what candles were. This time last year I was learning what candles were and swing highs and swing lows and all of those things. So yeah, and after I learned the basics, basically the rest I got from this amazing community. I've learned so much from everyone. It's actually wild. Horizontal stream, a lot more chart on the screen. Feels like a college lecture. Do you prefer it or not? It'll be okay. Of course, Debbie! 100%! Go for it! Someone had a TP here at 24400 and they wanted, okay, well, I'm going to do it for them anyways. I know they're not here, but still, I said I would play the scream if it hit TP. So there we go. I don't know why they wanted the scream, but they get the scream. Oh, but wait. Oh, I've been so rude. I'm so sorry. For anyone also that has had wins in this nice bearish condition, this is for you guys. Whoop whoop. Well done. Green is green, which is awesome sauce. I don't know why I'm saying awesome sauce, but we're going with it. Okay, I made my 1500 for the session. Time to get some Z's. Yeah, Louis, go to sleep. Struggling. Josh, me boy, what's up? We go low, it's Monday range. We have to just sing in this piano if only he were here with us. What did I miss? Trying to prep for meeting just now at 10:30. Oh, nice, Ninja. Not much, to be fair. So, see, this would not have worked. That would have been taken out. And that's okay. Now we move on to the next. Blade, you traded gold after such a long time, and that teacher Oracle's name is Microwave. What's that, Microwave? She loved me on payday. What's up? Canada loves me, and I love it. Except for that cold. And I've never been to Canada, but Canada looks amazing. I would love to travel. I would love to travel everywhere, to be fair. I think it would be so much fun. Still a bit of rejection going on over there. Ugh, these market conditions are so slow. Oh, my shell. This looked like that. That would not have been a tag in. Oh, this is going to run away. Okay. Also no tag in. Let's see. England thinks they're okay. You know what? That was really mean. Anyways. Oh, goodness. I watched today's stream when you first married. Peace, you South African horse tamer. Have fun. Cheers, Louis. Mad love. I'll see you tomorrow then. Well, you're tomorrow. I'll see you later. Enjoyed I made a plan where we secure a few pair. We might go to Italy and get... Big woman, but that's not fair. You guys are already getting... That's not nice. Where in Italy? To be... Yeah, I've gone to Italy before. When I was young, nearly 10 years ago. Damn. Nearly 10 years ago. Everything on high time frame does bearish up and bearish on me is NQ all week, but it takes me out at break even and then plays the trade. Blade, I have a bit of a scary question for you. If you do not go break even, I know some people hate that idea. Hey Trey, what's up? How are we doing, Trey? That's such a cool name. Sorry. I don't know why that only like Trey. How's it going? Not bad. Doing a little bit of forward testing with some things. Having a look here. Having a look at this, but I mean, good entry. This is actually technically really not a bad trade. No weave. For the fact the shorts were taken out there. Might just start dropping again. Sorry. Sorry. Look at that projection. Huh. 3 weeks. Oh my word. Sorry, Perry's going crazy because the pool guys are here. And his job is to protect, and I love and appreciate that he wants to protect, but good grief. Okay. Tagged in. Sorry. Okay, he's done. I'll die of anxiety if I don't go break even. That is kind of funny. Understandable. Get it, but yeah. Look to get when it retraces in fair value gap, then look for swing formation. Yeah, no, he's making sure that no one messes with me today. He's really making sure. He's like, Would this have gone straight for stop loss? Oh, it's so sad. Every single trade. Let's see. These huge wicks over here are a little bit scary, but they were stuck between there. Seriously, took out this 24400 level. It's kind of rejecting off that right now. And the audio was what? What do you mean the audio was what? Toby, what happened? Hey Hammer, what up? How we doing? User hi. Oh, sorry, I messed with my hair and it went and did weird things. Which ticker? Well, I'm actually trading Nasdaq futures. You like add ADX and E plus and D minus indicator to identify your trend strength and current direction strength. Mr. Pix, I'm trying to stop overcomplicating it too much because that I feel has been a lot of my issues, if you will. You are making profit? No. I haven't even taken a trade, but I appreciate that, Raffle. Yeah. I will take that. Big rejection here. What does this look like on the 5-minute? Oh my gosh, this price action is actually putting me... Oh my goodness, do you know what we can do quickly? Because this price action is putting me to sleep. Are y'all ready for fun fact of the day? Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Fun fact of the day. Fun fact of the day. I'm the only one that gets excited about this, but I don't care because I think it's fun. It's a fun fact. Anyways, so the acidity in Coca-Cola makes it effective for loosening blood stains from fabric. That's low-key terrifying. Okay, so the acidity in Coca-Cola makes it effective for loosening blood stains from fabric. Hope that helps someone out there. That was fun. Okay, cool. Good to know. Now we go back to the charts. Who knew? Solid rejection. Oh my gosh, this price action is just chop, 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 chop. Just, oh goodness. Okay. Back we go. Nice, first time here. What's up? Sorry, I didn't answer. Hey, Nene, what's up? I just trade the Nasdaq futures for now. The greatest empire? What do you mean? What do you mean? What's happening? Just trading after that 5-minute gap. Next 15-minute candle could expand lower. Devin? Hi. You'll figure it out. I would believe in you. Weekly reviews help out a lot. Comparing analysis of winning weeks and losing weeks and watching the play out to see what was wrong. Interesting, Blade. Yeah, like I said, I did. I went and I sat and I got a good talking to. I was low-key yelled at. No, not yelled at. Yelled at is definitely not the right word there. I had a good talking to about my mindset yesterday, and that's when I kind of went through this strategy, the Bob to Bob strategy, you know, trying to keep it a little bit more simple. Interesting to see that it did, obviously it didn't work out, but it started. Just obviously going against the trend, which is one of the reasons I didn't take it. Was going against the trend, and I'm just forward testing this for now to see if I'm actually getting better at identifying and being able to place the trades. Another fun fact, turtles breathe out their butts. I have another thing with an animal and its butt, but let's not go into that. It's easier to spot in hindsight. Yeah, 100%, Blade. It really, really is. But that's why I'm wanting to forward test it as well. Because in hindsight, it's easy to be like, oh, look, this happens. Oh, it just worked out perfectly. It seems we are close to a usual range low on bigger time frames. Some of the swing go lower though. Brightest future. This video will be used as evidence of. I mean, even breathing in now is toxic. So just take a cab. Mr. Pix, what's my win rate overall? Before this lovely lesson streak? Or after? Forensic fun fact Friday, apparently, Chad. Great fun fact for Friday the 13th. Oh! I didn't even think about that. No, Chad, no, that's not okay. But in the same breath, do you know what? That was that was pretty solid.
Nice.
Nah, do you know what's even better for that? Okay. Hey, Gok, what's up? Already knew that. Plus, if you get it quick enough, you can wipe rub it away with washing liquid. Interesting. Well, horrible price action lately. Caught a quick short for like 150 micros. That's not bad. Hey, Flo, how you doing? I think entry model at the end is just a pattern that we need to wait for. When I read higher time frames on my mental remind me a good model won't help me if I shoot myself in the foot. Oh, Blade, I like that. Doesn't matter what you then see, yeah. If all goes good, we're gonna have 50% retracement of the big drop. I'm just sharing my experience. About the model. It got you funded. It's still a good model. Blade, that's fair. That is fair. Just have to keep on. I mean, this did not retrace 50%, so theoretically that is the 50%. Let's see, but it's not of the full thing, and this is definitely ranging right now. Ooh, it means maybe New York then is gonna have some decent oomph to it. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna head out now, but be sure to catch up on New York, Pete. Cheers, Ninja. Have fun. Good luck with your meeting. Have I tested my strategy in pre-market open before New York Funhouse? Is that what you're asking? Before and after both. Let's see. So before it was like at 65% win rate. Now it's closer to like 45 at this point, which is really, really sad. Maybe even less, because I mean, shoot, it doesn't feel like I've had a win. Oh, thanks, Trey. I just invested everything in Beanie Babies. Someone in chat told me to do that. I'm glad I did. Okay, you do you. You do you, baby boo. Look for the inverted value gap inside macro. 409 candle. Okay, this one. What about it? Look for the inverted value gap inside macro. They're wanting to take this to the 345. 345. Sorry, Chad. I know you're being serious, but 345. Sorry, I'm a bit of a child. Really? That's good? Thanks, I think. I'll take it. Nothing feels good right now, but that's also just because it is what it is. It's solid rejection there. The only problem I would say entry would have to be up here if it's gonna go back up. Why does this look like the bulls are starting to come to play? Literally tapped into that 24400 level now. Oh, I mean, this is just choppy. This is just chop city. This is just chip chop city. Watch this. It'll be respected. Then belong. Sorry, but I have hiccups. Okay, I'm gonna watch. I mean, there's also this imbalance here. Let's see what it does. Overtake wham low, next 15 candle trades up into 50-minute fair value gap. One more try, good. Hey, Southpaw, what's up? Why are you awake? Southpaw, you good? Time into fair value gap goes from internal liquidity to external. Losing streaks happen. I had the worst month in Feb. Had 11 losing streak. Damn, Mr. Pix. So what did you do to break the funk? Yay, Southpaw! I wonder what happened. Are you good? Previous week lows. You restore on liquidity. Do you ever use the replay function on TradingView to practice your strategy? Yes. I have. Not actually recently. I need to actually maybe do a bit more of a more recent recap, right? But yes, I do. There's a ton of news today. Do not think market will entice traders till post news. I mean, probably, Sean. That's actually a really valid point. When is news? Oh, 2:30. Oh my goodness, there's a lot. At 2:30. Okay, so I'm not going to be trading there. And again at 4. Jolts. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. So there's quite a bit of news. Interesting. Let's see a little tap into that volume imbalance. Losing streaks happen. That's why I need to keep risk low so you can withstand the drawdown when it happens. Yeah, Cameron, that's what I've been doing. My risk is very low right now. But that's okay. We continue. I'm sick, but I'll be fine in a few days. My comments showed up in comments, but not on your screen. Weird. Southpaw, sorry. That's super weird. I'm sorry. Market likes to build a narrative for the early traders. Okay, Sean, so what do you think this is telling? What's going on? Give me a second. Okay, we're good. I think. We're just going sideways. Is anyone actually in a trade right now? Market likes to Can we see the tattoo closely? I mean, sure, you can. Here we go. Ta-da! His name is Sunny. Sunny the snail. He is very, very cool. Yeah. Sunny and my flowers around. Yeah. Hey Maria, have I gotten payouts yet? No, I thought I got banned. South Pop, anyone banned you, I would smack them. Just saying. Double wick bottom. 5 minute. Here we go. Just don't trade the chop. Just don't trade the chop. Not worth it. Not worth it at all. Why are you flexing your muscles? I'm showing the snail. People were asking about the snail. Meanie. I take that posing liquidity and then shows us true move. Basically, do I use session high and lows? Yes, I use the high and lows. Let's keep a day only for IRL, your lifestyle vlogs, horse riding, no trade. I don't think people would care too much about that. Explorer? Just saying. I'm just surviving game until favorable market conditions return. Mr. Pix? That's where I'm at as well. I will survive! Hey, hey! That's where we're at right now. We are just surviving. I'm going to try adding some more short. I posted. Damn, Cameron. Okay, so you're really like, we're doing this. I look like Tanya. Really? Senior trade? That's really sweet. She's really pretty. I appreciate that. Why not wait till 9 AM to trade? Better volume. Are you talking about New York session? I trade both. Am I on the charts right now? Yeah. Right here. Hey, Multimiro, what's up? Chaos! What's up, Chaos? Chaos, you missed the fun fact of the day and you would have thought, like, found it real fun. I like to trade the chop. They run them up, then run them down. That's a trade. Okay, you know what? If you know how to trade the chop, respect. Literally, respect to you. I cannot. Also, London and New York doesn't have the same volatility and expected ranges as the AM session. Yeah. There will be a really big rally up. Brace yourselves. Okay, Multimiro, let's see. Diego, good morning. Can you walk me through today's loss? I didn't take this trade. This was me forward testing. I didn't take it. This was just a forward test. Okay. Daily on NQ looks so bad. Consolidation easier to find. Trend on ES maybe because NQ is consolidating. Blade makes sense. What was the fun? Basically, the acid in Coca-Cola helps get bloodstains out of clothes. Like someone said, that it feels pretty fitting. It feels pretty fitting for Friday the 13th. Gonna be more of a 1-to-1, but it doesn't even freaking matter. Let's see. Curious. Oh, I'm gonna have to freaking type this out again, aren't I? I am. Okay, I'm gonna type this out again because clearly I have to, or else people start yelling at me. have to just put that all caps, bold, and if I could underline it, I would. I haven't killed anybody, but yesterday I fell hard. Thought of a new eval, went up over 1k pretty fast, and something happened, and I could play screen trade to save my life. No. Now I'm down by more than 300. Damn, I'm sorry, but that's okay, Southpaw. Things happen. I see potential retest on as for Asia high TP. Interesting. Ethan, what's up? I can, but it must be higher time frame. That rally ain't coming on a Friday. Guys, I haven't lost today. I'm putting it out there. Just reminding everyone, I have not taken a trade. I'm forward testing. I was not in either trade. This now does look pretty good though. That would have been the entry, so I would have been in this. Let's see if it rallies up or not. Interesting. Okay. Hi, you're from Cambodia. What's up? I'm from South Africa. How's it going? I did, Mason, I did. I have not been having a great time. Chop equals no man zone, yep. Just trade New York for the situation in the Middle East. New York trading has been very volatile. My PR could cause whiplash, but I've been past the evals and having trouble knowing when to walk away. Any suggestions? Lance, give yourself a goal, like a limit. That would be my suggestion. When you reach a certain amount, like, lock yourself out. You're not allowed to trade anymore. What about that? Chat, people yell at you. Oh, all the time! All the time. You should have heard the people yelling at me here. Gosh. That's why I had to put this up earlier. But it's bearish. Why are you taking it long? Yeah. Gonza, what's up? Close at 455. Like I said, my TP would be at 505. That's 1 hour trade. That's fine. Blade, that was good. The only annoying thing about BP, it's annoying to backtest then. Why? You're from Namibia. That's so cool, Sean. How's Namibia treating you? Lord, we're keeping this account, woman. What's up, Eddie? How you doing? We are. We're gonna keep it. Look at it go. That was my confirmation. Saw it on the 5 minute. This is what it looked like on the 5 minute. This engulfing entry at the wick. Nice. I did also see this rejection over here. Would have been a little bit more risky. I was thinking, what would the trade have looked like if I had taken it down there? Like I said, it would have been a little bit more risky. Had to wait for that engulfing. So this would have been nearly a 1 to 2 hour trade, but this one was the better confirmation entry off of that wick. Took this trade, I forgot to tell you. Oh, really? Are you or have changed my trading strategy? I wanted to get some more clarification on something that I maybe want to add that I just have on in the background, but I keep my normal strategy, if that makes sense. I don't know if it's bad to have like 2 strategies going at the same time, but yeah. Question, if you were making the trade, why enter in there? Just because of the confirmations and the setup. Sorry, that is so... I'm so sorry, that was just like the natural instinct of... I sound like I'm Afrikaans. I low-key want to put you on a timeout for saying that. I low-key want to put you on a timeout for saying that. Anyways. I just made back all the money. I'm $20 positive. Nice! Cheers, Cameron! You have to draw them out everything. Oh, that makes sense. Must have sent it on my express. I'm sorry. So base long entry was inside inverse. I think you're in a good one. I would not sell at your TP. Waiting for the fuel. No, it's bad, hey? It's so bad. What's it looking like for Namibia? I know here it's probably gonna go up like 8 grand. Africa all the way. Let's go! My limit is 50% consistent on 50k eval, but unfortunately my stop is the account's max loss. My risk tolerance used to be unlike that. Lance, no, bad. Sis, shame on you. Be better. I have 2 setups, one for choppy and one for trend follow. Nice though, that's good. Calling it a day for now. Everything I was looking at hit the targets out of 3 instruments. Got 1 entry. We'll check New York session. I hope you have a good session. Thanks, Blade. I appreciate it. Yeah. Like I said, I'm just forward testing this. I see my strategy would not have... Wait. Would it have worked here? Just by the skin of my teeth. That would have nearly taken me out right there. That would have nearly taken me out. So I guess a good entry, but terrifying. Let's see. You can say when I use it like a framework for where range and targets head towards, because more time than none it's interacting with these levels. Nice! Took a loss before sunrise, now I'm watching vids to learn. Hey Aubrey! Did it? What's up Aubrey? How you doing? You also South African? We're looking at about 5 rand increase. Def sounds South African is because I am South African. I'm happy to sound South African. Just please don't say I sound Afrikaans. That means I have an Afrikaans accent, and that's... I feel like I'm gonna offend so many people if I say that though, so I'm gonna shut up real quickly. Okay, so this would be my normal strategy entry. Would I even have taken this? No, probably not. That's not an A+ setup at all. Let's see if this would have worked. Sometimes I have to turn the chat off to better see the lady with the long hair. Is that gonna be the definition of who I am? The lady with the long hair. If I chopped it off, y'all will be so upset. Mikuabe. Do you want to fight me? Let's go, bro. Let's go. Come on, bro. Anyways. We're going to go past yesterday's high. Really? Video King? You think so? Liru, what up? What's a Southern Africa thing to sound like this? People, their culture, everything. My wife is from Nice. That is so cool, Gonza. That is awesome. Probably gonna back all the way down again. I will unsub if you chop it off. That is so funny, guys. I've low-key been dabbling. So I have this very cool stuff. Like, it's a hair dye, but it's not like you don't have to bleach your hair or anything. You just like put it on with conditioner and it does. So I do have purple, but I low-key want to get red. Do you think I would look okay with red hair? Like, it washes out, so I won't always have red hair, but yeah. Out of curiosity. What's... Bit of a retest now. Damn, okay, so 1 loss, now going for a win. Come on then, these... Oh my gosh, Mikowabe, that is hilarious. Hey Wise, what's up? How long did I take to find my edge? Chill, dude, I don't even know if I have an edge anymore, but like I said, this last 3 weeks, I promise you, you know, someone mentioned that everyone, you guys can maybe correct me, maybe some of you have been having an amazing 3 weeks, in which case brag much, whatever. Everyone, I'm not talking traders or just traders, right? I'm talking traders and like friends who know nothing about trades, just everyone in general. These past 3 weeks have been insane. Like on a personal level, it's just been chaotic. It's been all over the place. People have said it's been like one of the worst 3 weeks they've had, just like back to back. And then someone pointed out that it has been Friday the 13th. That happened in Feb. And now today is Friday the 13th. Them 3 weeks between the both of them have been the 3 weeks where it has just been excruciating. Like I said, not just for traders, although I know some traders it's been rough, but even some people just with their personal lives. Like I said, some of my friends that aren't even traders, they've just said these past 3 weeks have been a lot. And I was just so confused. I was like, why? Why have these last 3 weeks just been so extra for everyone? I thought Mercury was in the microwave, you know, who knows? And then one of my friends pointed out the Friday the 13th. 2 months in a row of Friday the 13th. That is insane. Anyways, that was my little woo story for today. You're really turning into that kooky aunt, you know what? Yeah. Sorry for your previous loss. Richard, I didn't take a loss. Sorry, this was just me forward testing. I kept it up to see because I'm forward testing. Sorry, it wasn't a loss though. But thank you for the condolences. I appreciate it. Better taking care of their hair as they got older. It was coming of age story. Listen here, Skeletor, that was so bad. Yay! Cheers, Southpaw. Enjoy. I hope you feel better, hey? You got it, hey? Hey, hi. What? That's not fair. I don't know if you wear glasses. Then I could say hi 4 eyes right back. I guess hi 2 eyes. You're from Argentina. We are down apart, but we both love each other. Oh, wait. You guys don't live with each other? Work? I'm assuming, Gonzo? Green hair for green candles, red hair, you'll be a short bias trader. You look like you're going through a breakup. With any color in your hair might be good for simping. Do I know, or I do not know that who? Yep, it's Friday the 13th. Watch how the 4-hour candle will close bullish. Day of bad luck. Yeah, well, I mean, you decided to listen to this trade, so yeah, maybe it is. Anyways, losses are lessons, not failures. Keep going. Thank you, Bigfoot players. I have questions about your name. Anyways, Friday the 28th has always been my fave. Why? There's a lot of news markets being a little crazy. We could see some more tariff drama. Remember the planetary alignment? Bad dude. This past week sucked for me. Fed was great. The thing I hate most is trades coming back to entry. Also remember we're in the Judas. What's the Judas phase of the year? What is that? What does that mean? What is... Whoa! Sorry. Sorry, I'm getting excited about this. Boom, banana, split, banana, eat, banana. Mikawava, are you good? Have you had some adult beverages or something? I was typing when I heard something about your hair, so I went back to get context. I'll unsubscribe if you cut your hair too. Damn, okay, I didn't know my hair was like my thing, but okay then. Now you're using buy and sell signals, not bad. Which pair? Nasdaq futures, guys. So actually not a pair, but yeah, tis the Nasdaq futures. And I'm on the 1 minute currently. Oh, what? Like a session has just first, so does the year break in 3 month segments of the year usually forms March or April. Whoa, I didn't know that. That's cool. Okay. Okay, so bob to bob level. Okay, wouldn't have hit TP yet. Boom, you still in this, eh? Ninja! Yeah, Ninja. No worry. Does it not make you feel a little bit better that it's not just us? My twin. Yeah. Damn, I sometimes doubt if I am a genius. Why? What happened, chill dude? Kabane, what's up? I'm also from South Africa. How goes? How goes? How's it going? How's the trading? How's life? How have these last 3 weeks been treating you? Let's do a poll. Oh, let's do a poll. Sorry. All those masochists trading oil. Okay, wait. Sorry, I have to do a poll because I'm genuinely curious now. Sorry, I know I'm gonna be super irritating, but we're doing this. Who's had a good law? I'm saying deaf, not me. I don't speak like that, but anyways. I'm curious. Like I said. Hey! Whoop, 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 whoop! Okay, Bob to Bob levels for the freaking win! Let's go! Okay, forward testing. So far, 1 loss, 1 win. 1. That was a 1-1, but that's okay. That's what we need for them confirmations. Does not matter. I'm gonna send this. I do not know why the song is stuck in my head, but it is. I want to quickly also get what it looks like on the 5-minute. Okay, I can now delete that because I am still not in that trade. Forward testing, you got to journal. Nice. Okay. What is happening? What is Silver doing? I think that was also about trading idle. Take back to back until you took a break for a month. Ninja, are you saying you're wanting to take a break for a bit? Happens to the best of us. Which province in SM from? The northwest. Ooh, I'm KZN side currently. Might be moving back to Pretoria, but to be determined. Mixed for me. I've had good days and bad days. I changed back to the astronaut. Oh, really? Why? My TP around. Oh! Sorry, something caught in my throat. 536. I mean, why not go for VWAP? VWAP, I said that. Look for Asia High, might be the next draw. How you doing? How goes it? Asia High! What? No ways. That's insane. Wait, I'll be right back. Yes, I'll be right back. Okay, what did I miss? Not much yet. Ooh, wait, this might retrace. This could be a 50% retracement happening soon. Maybe not, maybe not, maybe. Did not retrace 50% here. No. Sure, this is now kind of sprinting away. Okay. What? I'll not unsubscribe if you cut your hair. I did unsubscribe now. I can communicate with you, but I will subscribe again since we talked. That's weird. Southpaw, that's super weird. I wonder why it's doing that. ES took out a major low. Oh man, just the best traders also face periods of losses. Even the ones we idolize and are honest enough to show us the losers. That's why I look up to Tom. Aw, that's valid, Ninja. One. Also, yesterday's New York was 3 equal highs. Ooh. No ways. Oh, up here, yeah. There do be a lot going on. Okay. Huh. Check it this. So this one would have been a loss, but this one would have been good to go. But then the question is, would you put it at the bottom here? Would you put it at the bottom of the engulfing? Probably there, so 1.3. Yeah. Okay, interesting. I told her... Dan? What? Told her not to sell this one, it's going all the way back up and beyond. Okay. Daily range is also massive. A little bit, hey? What's that? Oh, are you saying to my dog? Extremes Vista? That's kind of funny. TP done at 2 for 500, profit secured. Nice, son. Very, very good. Oh, we're back into the new weekly opening gap, so that's cool. Yeah, that's something. I always get a random song stuck in my head, so it's my turn. Ooh, I love it when you do it. Damn it. Thanks, Ninja. Anyways, still think price action sucks. Bear in a foxhole. Well, not now. With regards to my trading strategy, yes, this one's pretty good. But if I was using my strategy, this did not come back to get me. That's just run off that way. Ninja, yep. Did you ever struggle with cutting when it's early? I have a mental block or something. TP is never even close when I bail. Lance, no, I actually get yelled at because I do not take TP even if it's like super close. Anyways, I do not close even if it was like a tick away from TP. I've been yelled at for that pretty often. Good grief. Okay, into VWAP. Is this going back up? No way. It's back to the midnight. Back to midnight. What does this look like on the 5 now? Okay. I'm still just watching how it's gonna react here. I mean, that's... Oh, send a picture. Mikuave. Kind of rejecting. I never put my hair for a sub if I were you. Your hair is great and you're like, oh, thanks, Lance. Mr. Chaos, what's up? People getting wrecked right now. Afraid to pass my evaluation in a single move. No way, Stefan, what happened? I use a smaller size position possible, entering the trade and then closing the platform until TP or stop loss is hit. Set up as alert for when either hits. Oh, that's actually a good idea, Ninja. For Lance, I don't know if you saw what Ninja said. Do it a couple of times will reinforce not over managing your trades. I heard a foxhole. Pretty funny. Okay. Good grief. Kidoki. Kind of running away. What does this look like on the 5 minute? Okay, just tapped into VWAP on ES. It's gonna keep running away, probably. Whoa. Okie dokie, hello momentum, my old friend. Dinner. Okay. Okay, I think about the best entry for this long. Bit killer. That's what I am kind of thinking about. Just tapped into there. The problem is this is not the best. Just for me, this is not the best. We've made the low for the day. We're not coming back to those levels. That's interesting. 50 points in 3 minutes is crazy. Not gonna cut base points of interest because the wall's gonna pause. Okay. NQ never moves like this when I'm in a trade, Robocop. You know what? You're just coming here spitting fact right now. Percent of that. Oh goodness, this is a not the best entry. For this forward test, this would be the entry off of this wick. Just move it to here. Let's say that you want to target midnight. Yeah. Maybe even Asia High, but that might be pushing it. Okay, let's say we want to target Asia High because that's quite a nice point of interest. It's also right by the top of new weekly opening gap. So this would be mine, but there's no confluences for my trade here. This would be what my setup looks like. Again, just no solid confluences for it, unfortunately. I've one. Two, but that could so easily wick. Wow. Okay. I have one confluence for this. Flash Golden, what's up? Problem also it's been like you're alone, just taking some good. Hey Shrew, I'm on the Nasdaq futures. It's not gold, sorry. Yeah, no, don't trade overnight, sorry. Hello? No, this is real money. Yeah, well, I'm not in a trade, but yes, this is a funded account if that's what you're asking. NQ trade, yeah. Sell, no. Bear in a foxhole, good enough. Would have been good enough. Let's see here. Okay, we are still below VWAP now on both NQ and ES. Let's see how it reacts here. So again, if I was gonna take this, it would most likely look something like this. Okay. Let's see what this do. Let's see how it goes. One confluence. Oh, with the one confluence, good enough. Yeah, sure. Why not? Why not? I just scroll screen. Hey Flash, what's up? How you doing? A long day without my phone. I tell you all about it when you balance this save this week before. Oh, what's up? How you doing? It's not the same, it's lower. What are you talking about? It's a pretty decent rejection off of there. Retest. Is it bad that I want to do something dumb and if it starts pushing I want to just enter in on this? That's probably a bad idea. Hey, this is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Hey Jose! How you doing? How you doing? Hope you're doing amazing. What would it look like if I use this full range? No, you little booger. It's not what I wanted. That's what I wanted. Okay, so that's the full range. See, this one has more confluences, but... Let's see. For anyone giving me... If anyone is saying, oh, why haven't you taken a trade? There's been no A+ setup for my strategy, and I'm forward testing something else. So I'm not about to start taking trades on my funded account forward testing. That seems dumb. But, yeah. Big Pharma for rebalancing my energy? What do you mean? Zig, it looks like a breakout there. They did their push-up already. So it does kind of start at 4 at my time now. Nice. Most of my biggest trades are from chasing momentum, but it just feels wrong when executing. How do you know, or what do you look for? What do you just enter? Do you just mark it in, Lance? This is the place to bounce if it's going to go up again. Let's see. Rejection of the 50% here. Not enough rejection though. Okay. Demonte, please don't take this the wrong way. I'm going to be a little bit sassy with you. I'm giving you a heads up. I'm giving you a warning. I'm doing it respectfully. Okay, I'm gonna be a little bit sassy. I hope you're ready. Okay, so you are saying stick with the same strategy that got you funded. Yet yesterday you were giving me all grief for not taking trades when yesterday during New York there was only one possible setup for my strategy. Just asking out of curiosity. Like I said, that was a little bit sassy and I apologize. I did give you a heads up. I'm sorry about that. Iron pills are working now. So much more vibrant in the beginning of my... Oh, thanks, Ninja. Oh my gosh, I forgot to take my iron pill. Thank you for reminding me. I'll be right back. I completely forgot. That's on me. It's also weird, and I guess it just shows that I did need it. Definitely shows that I needed it. Do you know this tablet tastes nice? I know that's weird, right? So this is just, it's an iron pill. It's an iron tablet. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. Like I said, back. Market is with heavy directional movement as long as it's not crazy overextended. Or it goes up, does Nasdaq go down? Apparently, yes. I haven't personally checked that out myself, but according to this, yes. More or less. I just passed my eval on this move up. Yeah! That's amazing! Hey Samuel, what's up? As long as oil's bearish, Nas will continue going up. Okay, there we go. Party for tonight. SA, what's up? Whoop. There we go. There's a whoop whoop for passing your eval. That is awesome. Maya, I'll talk with you private. Oh, I feel like I'm in trouble now. Sorry. But yes, pop me a DM on Discord, Demonte. That's fine. I do feel like I'm in so much trouble now. Sis. Flash golden looks good. Party knows what's up. All has been inversing NQ all session. There we go. Samuel, it's just an iron supplement. Yeah. That's the secret. My nicotine was no, be quiet. Also just recently found out I've been iron deficient all my life, 20 years, and had been put on a double dose. Damn, Ninja, see, that's bad. That's bad. But that's exactly the thing, right? So, sorry, I know we said I'm having a look here. So this would have not tagged me in. Let's see what it does here. That was a huge spike. What happened? What time was this? 11. Okay. Sorry, someone mentioned the 11 to 18 time frame. So I'm gonna keep an eye on the 11 to 18 time frame. So this would have been a loss, just putting it out there. If I'd use this range here, so this is not the full range, but it's the next level down. Let's see, so it tapped into the new daily opening gap and respected the heck out of it. So let's see what happens now. If I was to get into a long, it would have to pass up here. This is kind of like a breakout strategy, isn't it? Oh well. Just recently found out I hate price action today. Oh no, Ash, I'm so sorry. Being in drawdown as a streamer is rough. Everybody becomes a guru. I do have Discord. Yes, I do have Discord. If anyone wants to join, you're more than welcome to. Please, I cannot say this enough. Please be aware that there are scammers out there, guys. I am very, very informal when I chat to you guys. If it looks like a copy-pasted message, it is not me. If I tag you. Like, I see they tend to be like, hi, and they tag your name. It is not me. Just check. Yeah, just check. There's ways to find out if it is me, but yeah. Just be aware of scammers, guys. I'll also not ask you for money. What's up? Go Harali? Is that correct? It's a huge buyer who's trying to save his position and not get trapped. Nice. The 11 to 18. Someone mentioned, let me just double check my notes if I'm correct. But I remember someone mentioning, no, that's the wrong one. No. No. Here we go. Oh, sorry. Just studying price at 10 to 18 of each hour and then 23 to 38 of each hour. It's interesting to see how the algorithm will structure specific signatures during specific times. I'd never taken note of them. I mean, especially 10 to 18 feels so random, but someone mentioned it, so, you know, believe it or not, I listen to you guys. So 10 to 18. So another minute to go. So that definitely would have tapped in there. This feels like a deciding point right now. What did Bob say about the levels during? Not much with regards to the levels during London. That's why I'm kind of looking at them now. Technically, the levels should be taken within the first hour, preferably, or hour and a half of New York. That's when they're best. Or else rather go hands off for that. That's why I'm kind of forward testing them here and checking out. If you drink coffee, your body only absorbs 20% of iron. That makes sense. They did ask me if I drink a lot of coffee. I get it, but I need coffee to live. Anyways. So, yeah, I mean, problem solved. I'm sunlight deficient. It's why I always burn on holiday. I love the sun, but I also have the curtain closed in my room, and I live in the UK where seeing the sun is like seeing a four-legged leprechaun. Short answer, I'm pasty. Oh, you're a snowman. Any trades? No, none today, Samuel. Ooh. Oh, this is some solid rejection coming off of here. That could be one possible entry. This could be another. This one is just more higher probability. Let's put it that one. That one's just higher probability right now. Very good rejection off the 50% of this level. Okie dokie. So this is the 50% of this level. Could this retest further down? Potentially. Technically, this is the correct range for this big push. Which is insane. Okay. That is technically the correct range on the higher time frame. Woo. Let's come up with the time frame. Ninja, I'm not sure, but you know, I'm looking. How do you work out? Alphabet people must stay out of trading with their fabulous ideas. Coffee makes me sleepy for whatever reason. Oh, Samuel, there's reasons for that, but I don't want to say what it is because it sounds bad. Okay, so not full range. Interesting. So full range would have only been down here, which is pretty solid, but this looks like... Okay. A little bit of a deciding point here. Let's see. Barbecue Club. Oh, Barbecue Cub. What's up?
Hey there, Abel, what's up?
I will bring me here. Samuel, you have ADHD, that's different from Fibonacci. Yeah. Am I still waiting for setup? Little bit. Yeah, like I said, I did some forward testing, so this would have been a loss. This would have been a win. We could have made up. This is where I need to decide which would have been better. Stop loss down here, stop loss up there. Yeah. Probably stop loss up there, to be fair, but that's okay. I mean, if I was feeling a really, really risky, this is more the 5 minute, this is the higher time frame. Risky would have put it there. Nope, not there. That's pushing it. Oh, 2.27. I will have to confer later. I'm starting to think most traders have something wrong with their rent. Mikuwabe, please just see what I posted. I thought I was funny. In the Discord, there is there's trading book recommendations. I'm so crazy for trading. Yeah, basically I put the DSM-5 as one of the trading book recommendations. The DSM-5, for people that do not know, is all of the mental things out there. Basically how psychologists get their diagnoses. The strategy mostly, and how much is your win rate? Thanks for welcoming me, appreciate it. Of course. What is my strategy? Try that again. My strategy is market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Okay, so with this one, again, technically it's still not A+, because I have VWAP and new daily opening gap on the wrong side. I would prefer VWAP and that as a confluence for my stop loss, but it's fine. So technically not A+. If I'd used this range, this would have taken me out for a stop loss. Yeah, so it's market auction theory. So basically buy in premium, sell in discount of the 50% range. Oh, sorry, of the 50% of this range. That's what this strategy is. I'm forward testing some bob levels. That is some secret sauce that I can't give away just yet. I'm forward testing to see the success rate and to see if I'm capable of spotting them. So this one, you can see, came up, unfortunately it didn't go all the way, came back down, retested, and then shot off. Literally, this was a bang of a trade. Anyways, this would be the entry for the next one. So technically this should actually end here, but I sent it all the way to Asia High. Let's see if it works or not. Although this kind of looks like it's retracing further down. Let's see if it respects here. No, I'm trading Nasdaq futures. I drink coffee for the taste and it's okay, no problem. I don't mind. It doesn't make me sleepy. It kind of relaxes me. It is. It's like comfort. You know, I guess coffee sometimes does what tea is supposed to do. People drink tea or they have a hot beverage. So I'm thinking about like Sheldon Cooper from Big Bang Theory. You know, when they're upset and they need comfort, you offer them a hot beverage. I have ADHD and it's definitely a thing. Great, Dave. To be fair, so do I. We'll come back to distribution. E is very clear. No one here drinks more coffee than I do. Ninja, how much coffee do you drink? You can't say that without giving us like an example of how much you drink. Coffee wise. For people who just hopped on and they're like, you drinking? What are you drinking? Coffee anytime. You're the best trading live stream I know. Really, Blacksmith? That's very sweet. What makes you say that? I appreciate it. Don't get me wrong, I really shout out, you're awesome. But why? My sleep TV show, Big Bang. I've gone through it probably more than 700 times by now. Yeah, it's one that you know. No surprises. It's on in the background. It kind of drowns out the noise. I agree. W pattern, yes, David, I did also see that. Good, solid W pattern, but then shouldn't it retest this last leg of the W and retest it properly? That's always my understanding. Like the 5th leg. Yes? No? Correct me if I'm wrong. Me and Jay literally don't drink coffee or tea. Can't remember last time I had. Oh, what about a good old solid hot chocolate? Hot chocolate for the win. What did I just read? 12 to 16 cups a day. Okay, yo, no. Me and OTT are like, no, you're lying. You are lying. No wonder you have a damn iron deficiency. Good grief. I could literally quote every episode as it plays. You low-key sound like me with Harry Potter right now. The chill vibe and the balance count that makes me come back from time to... Oh, thank you. We should have coffee with traders. Aw, Samuel, that's cute. Oh, Debbie, I'm not judging, but I'm judging. Okay, sorry. Okay, failed to reject there. This might start going back down. This could potentially start going back down. Let's see. So I'm looking for very specific things, but I don't want to say what it is yet because I am still forward testing it, so I could be looking at rubbish and I don't want to lie to you guys. Right, I'm not here to lie, I'm here to be honest, so here we are. 40 degrees temp from Cape Town this week. I still love my coffee. Like iced coffee, maybe? Iced coffee moist. I got one for you. I got one for you.
Nice.
Friday the 13th, let's do this! Can you do multi-scale betting system and trading using this technique? No, I don't think that's a good idea. Blacksmith just saying. I'm a software developer. I turn caffeine into code. It's nerd fuel. You can drive a car with no fuel in it. I am. Matthew, I'm on the 1 minute. What's up? Welcome, welcome. How are you doing? I'm currently on the 1 minute. Currently, I'm forward testing something. Slash, this is not an A+ setup for my trading strategies. So there has been no... Yeah, no. There's been no presented A+ setups for me today. So yeah, this is fun. Go Raleigh, no problem. Chop is ranging tight right now. I hate the chop. Lance, it's okay. It looks kind of like it's doing chop and then breakout and then chop and then breakout and then chop and then breakout, which sucks for my trading strategy in particular. Which is why I also want to try and get this. This is kind of, you could kind of argue this is a bit of a breakout strategy in a way. Just specific levels that come into play. Hope you will learn something. So you might. Maybe you'll learn what not to do, but even that is learning. How do I define A+ versus a lesser setup? For me in particular, my A+, it has to have 3 or more confluences. That's about it. It's pretty sweet and simple. I need to try and keep it back to basics because I went, had a strategy, it worked. Overcomplicated it. Started overthinking everything. That's my problem, I overthink things. Then would miss good setups because I was overthinking, and then I would kind of revenge... I'm gonna call it revenge trade. I would kind of revenge trade missing an A+ setup and then take a loss. And I think that really has been a lot of what's been going wrong recently. And that's okay. We have to... and also fade ourselves. Yeah. But, you know, it's fine. That's how you learn, right? You only learn by making mistakes. Chop and break. That is my thing. Nice. So what am I testing? I'm basically testing the Bob to Bob level hammer. I only drink one Mexican brand called chocolate. Well, that sounds nummy, Samuel. Damn. Welcome to Fed PA while the war is going on. But it's not Feb. Well, I guess it kind of is Feb. No, it's not Feb. Anyways. Go break even on sell entry. Sorry, I'm reading what Blacksmith wrote. Anyways, Clone Mind, what up? Can you go through what you seek as entry when price comes to 0.5? Usually I tend to look for action there with EMA levels, but where do you find your entry? My entry sweet and simply, like I said, I just do range. So bottom of the range to top of the range. Theoretically, I should use bottom of this range. However, according to my rules that I sometimes do not listen to, bad me. Anyways, that theoretically is the bottom of this range. Why do I say that? Because none of these levels came back to retest the 50% of the breakout, I guess you can call it that. But why I said this is not ideal is because this is now rejected off of the new daily opening gap. VWAP is indeed above, and a lot above where I want to see it go. But I would need a fair value gap, a solid order block, even on the higher time frame, especially if it's going to come down quite a distance. Fair value gap, order block, volume imbalance would also be amazing. The fact that this is between the bob levels, like I said, I just don't like this setup. It's not even an A+. What have I got? I guess I got it. A fair value gap there. What's this look like on the 5 minute? No, that's not ideal on the 5 minute. 15 minute. Me. This is a B setup. I would say this is a B setup rather than an A+ setup. I've got me my shelf and my fair value gap. That's about it. As protection for my stop loss. Yeah. Mitigated all of this. Okay, let's see what happens. Still kind of respecting that on the 15 minute. What does this look like on the 5 minute quick sticks? Oh, we are stuck here. Okay. We are stuck. Alright, this is a stick up. I need the background. Eddie, are you on Discord? I can't remember if you are on Discord or not. Wait. Give me a second. I need to quickly respond to this. Done. Okay. Are you in a level that you want to break out? A little max. Frosty urn. Barbecue cup. Have I met ICT in real life? No, Flash Golden. I have not met ICT in real life. He has hopped onto the stream twice that I know of before. The first time, I embarrassed myself. Seriously. I did like the whole fangirl of like, ah! Anyways, the second time I was cool. I was cute. Cool as a cucumber. But anyways, moving on. The sun in Zanzibar was also hectic because it's on the equator. Oh, damn. No, my Discord's free. What's that? What's up, Jody? It looks like it's going to range for a while before it goes down. Yeah, Jody, not bad, not bad. I'm testing. I hopped onto a call actually yesterday with Bob, testing some things. So testing the Bobby levels. So you can see both of these were forward testing, so I didn't take them, but this one was a good entry level off of this wick here, just failed, came back down, so that would have been a stop loss. This one then, however, this was a banger. The question is, where would have been the ideal, and I think this was the ideal entry where it was. The question actually would rather be the stop loss, because it could either be 1, 2, or 3. The third one seems a bit risky though. 3 there. You know, it just changes the Rs, but it doesn't change the fact that it actually worked out. I mean, check at this. It just went, it just took off. It was pretty good. And now I'm forward testing it with here. Let's see if this does break above. This is the wick you want to see it take out, I think. Wait, let me get some more confirmation on the 5-minute. Yeah, I guess that is the wick you would want to see it break out of. Especially because then it would have solidly gone and past these levels, and you want to see this being a bit of more of a engulfing candle. But I mean, right now we are just stuck in a range. Eddie, then send me a message, you little cheeky. Trader? I haven't even looked at ES, to be fair. I've just been, I focus on MNQ. Decent break. A little bit stuck on VWAP right now on both ES and MNQ. What's gonna happen? Everyone's gunning for the Asia highs. To be fair, everyone really believes that Asia highs are the next liquidity grab, which is valid. I'm up to learn from everybody. Yeah, exactly. Which chart is it? Nasdaq futures? Question, why do you not want to use at the same time for extra? Right there. Right there. I do. Sorry, you just can't see it. It is up on the other side. Bug dot. But I know obviously you weren't able to see it, but yes, I do have it up on the other side for SMGs. We'll break already for height. Let's see now. We'll break, super helpful for trading. Can we trade liquidity? Oh no. Never been to SA, but on the bucket list when he still likes his party holidays, especially when that adds. I mean, Debbie, you can go and hop on to a damn party bus, not a party bus, sorry. Houseboat. In Zimbabwe. That's pretty awesome. Oh, thank you. Anyone buying gold? How does gold look? Who's trading gold right now, by the way? Ethan, can I see the bob levels? Oh, of course you can. All these shaded lines here are the bob levels. Do you want to see the bob levels on... Why is that one deleted? Oh, shoot. I moved something somewhere. How and when did that happen? That's not supposed to be there. Okay, everyone, cover your eyes. It's about to get chaotic up in here. There we go. These are the bob zones. I'll have to fix that. I don't actually know what happened there. I must have moved it accidentally. Was it there? Around there. Let's see. Around there. I'll just put the... I'll put that on now. Let's see. This does kind of look disgusting. This really doesn't look nice. Okay. So many international influencers have been flooding into Cape Town since last year and their reviews are on point. Ninja, I have still never been to Cape Town. I know, judge me if you will, but it's okay. I've never been to Cape Town. Good. Should just be doing the New Year's countdown. Should him enjoy himself and feel home in our country. Interesting. What indicator do I use? I use some secret source indicator, but the Gold Rush one is free if you guys want to check it out. So the Bob's Gold Rush indicator is free. Let's see how it worked out here. Not quite. Let's see if this breaks back up. How would this have looked for gold? I wonder if this would work just as well on gold. Let's see. No, don't like that. I have really been fixated on these no wick candles. It really does want to come back and respect them. Sorry, those of you curious, these are the Bob levels. If you guys want to use it, it is an indicator. It's called Bob's Gold Rush. You can see that one would be high up there. It stopped there for now. Yeah, there we go. That's that on gold. Oh, sugar honey iced tea, I lifted up. Does not work for MNQ, it's different for MNQ. Okie dokie. Who needs to get banned? I missed this, what happened? Oh, why would you? Jordy, as you said that. I don't want to look up how we learned to watch Italian videos, English translate, I swear it's source. Thanks, Ethan. Anyways, moving on. Many wonderful things here. You have 3 main cities, Joburg, Durban, and Cape Town, but that's only like 5% of our country. Yep. If you say so, Video Kings. I've had better days. What? Wait, Jordy, what's up? Bitcoin, sorry, I don't really trade Bitcoin. Who is trading Bitcoin? How does it look? Let's ask everyone else. Debbie, do you trade Bitcoin? No? Yes, no. I don't think you do. Do you? This is not going to break before I have to go, is it? Nope, probably not. I don't know. Okay, I heard that. Yeah, too. Wow. To be fair, Jordy, he did say the name 3. Deborah. Ninja, what a statement to make. Okie dokie. What a thing to say. Good actual grief. Good actual grief. Anyways, how's Friday the 13th treating everyone? Okay, well, Debbie, someone's asking how's Bitcoin, please. I don't know if you've hopped on it all. Looks like NQ going to sweep lower. Let's see, I'm gonna leave both of these up and see. We are now basically stuck in the damn new weekly opening gap again. Oh, WS isn't. Order flow only for who did not believe this setup, but reactor market. The different things, son, explain. Which time frame? Like that I'm on right now. I'm on the 1 minute currently. Trading Bitcoin looking good. Interesting. Looking good in what way? Like it's starting to actually push, or not really. The 13 never notice. Neo? Ultimate? What up? Maybe, but the numbers are there. Oh. I put on a goalie pad in case I run into that Jason guy. Oh gosh. Yeah, well, Friday the 13th, let's do this. Well, this is... Okay. Okay, come on, NQ. I'm giving you 5 minutes. I'm giving you 5 minutes to start getting some oomph going. Again, I can't do anything in this. So you have 5 minutes to start deciding on whether you want to start moving or not. If not, I might then call it a little bit early, seeming as... I mean, we're watching it go sideways. Unless anyone has any cool weekend plans that you guys want to tell me about. Weekend plans, anyone? The Northern Cape is most literal desert, but the Grootgat, biggest diamond mine is there. It's hard to break up. Yeah. Hey, happy child, what's up? How you doing? Are you happy? Shaman? Oh no, it has not been going well. But I have started today with a new outlook, which is good. Which is good. I was just kind of in the mindset of, just screw this funded, I just need to blow it now and get it over with and then just start again and I got a very stern talking to from Bob saying that is the worst mindset to have, because that's what you start then doing, then you just start blowing accounts. Just have it as, I can save this and I will save this and I will do my best to save this. If I cannot, it's fine, we try again, but to have the mindset of screw it, just blow this thing and move on is not good. So yes, then I went through a bunch of things. That's why I'm forward testing something. I would have not had an A+ set up, unfortunately, for my strategy. If I was here earlier, this one would have been pretty juicy, but it is what it is. Nothing here for my strategy, nothing that's A+. This, I guess, would be A+, but I feel like if it's going to start breaking down, it's going to break down properly, and I feel if it's going to go up, it's going to go up pretty solidly. So, yeah. I guess. Is the goal to reach the green box? Kind of, I guess, yeah. Strategy. Black magic coming in soon. That trade won't hit TP. Wow, Empire. Why you gotta be like that? Also, I'm not in the trade, so jokes on them, I guess. Who was in the chat talking about order flow trading? I'm curious if you're profitable. Interesting. Backtesting. Yeah. I should not say maybe, but say yes. Always. Sorry, I read it like yes. Was it supposed to be yes? Was it supposed to be yes? Patience, patience, patience. Exactly. Trading is cute. What do you mean by cute? It fails to close above. We will retest lowest 30-minute candle. Ooh, interesting, Tyson. So NQ will continue high if it inverses the 1 hour fair value gap. That makes sense. Confidence in trades moment. Ethan, I usually order flow and actually am profitable. That's interesting. Sauna going to eat outside and see a gig waiting for the weekend. Damn, clone mine, that's awesome. Exactly why you come to SA, no offense. Ninja? That was not okay, but that was funny, so it's okay. Hey, wait, we have some movement! Ah! And just in time, we nearly hit that 5 minute. If you come back down into this damn range, you start moving. Let's go, let's go. Is order flow and tape reading the same thing? Ninja, good question. I'm not actually sure, guys. Those that use order flow, I've been trying to switch it within the combo because it's not too good at it, but I'm gonna have to start trying to learn to use it again. It would usually throw me off emotionally. Interesting. Hey, Nasia, what's up? Richard, ICT is trash. Oh, good grief. We're all trading websites different. Okay, what do you mean by that, Benny? Yeah, same thing. Time and sales are actually related, but I believe not the same. Huh, interesting. So it's actually very related, but I believe not the same. Was that with regards to order flow and tape reading, right, Shamaman? Richard is using order flow. Jordy, you missed the creeper earlier, but that's okay. Okay, sure. George thought as much. The similar tape speed shows momentum, and order flow shows who is playing. Oh, that makes sense. Trading is cute, it means Maya is cute. I might be translating wrong. Thanks, Samuel. I appreciate it though. That was sweet. Let's see what this looks like on the 5 minute. Like I said, again, quote unquote, the safe trade would be to take it over here, have it as a stop. Let's go and see. Hey, Bond. James Bond. No, I'm kidding. What's up? 800. That's hilarious. Huh. Interesting. User 5. JJ. Hi. How you doing? Okay, let's see how this goes. You silly glasses. Oh, I haven't been able to do it. I'll do it one day. Sell entry there and NQ. Oh, okay, so Flash, you still think this is going to be a sell? There's no K rejection offer there. We need a bit more of an oomph and engulfing to happen over here. I am trading the Nasdaq futures with it. Order flows for scalping and it needs a lot of focus. You can't speak through the process. Oh, that's interesting. How did I decide the market is bullish? Mandara? I hope I said that correctly. Sweet, and simply I'm forward testing a different strategy. That's about it. Pep Hunter, what's up? I'm good. Oh, so what for all those candles that show the bull bear volume on them? Volume up and bearish inverse bear value gap, high probability. Damn, Ninja coming here with all them questions. Not a bad thing, good thing, but still. Actually, order flow is an extra edge addition when mixed with the price action strategy. Gives you extra confirmation, like learning to read the news. That makes sense though. That was a good rejection off of that level. As I say that, it's now gonna go back down. Are always the ones who trade order flow. I don't trade either of them, and I have to say I think concepts are not garbage. The person behind it is a bit controversial. There's a bigger problem in the world than debating ICT concepts and order flow. Yep. Well said, Marcel. Very well said. How's the trading going, Marcel, by the way? Hey, Adam. Are you thinking about like book maps, Ninja? So order flow shows what happens inside the candle, but even with all the tools, if you're a dumb trader, you're still a dumb trader. It's not the strategy, it's the trader. Damn! I feel like this is now valid. Good grief.
Emotional damage.
Are you good? Are you good? Okay. Again, order flow the right. Order flow the right way is humanly impossible without a bot. It happens intra-candle, it happens fast. It's the true way to use it. I've seen some bots though that just seem to print money. Interesting. Along today on NQ. Yeah! Well done, that's amazing! Whoop whoop! It's like asking the question, so how would you describe the color green? And the responses, it's a mixture between blue and yellow. For a box in that range, that helps visualize a little bit more. Oh guys, this, oh, okay. Okay, I might be calling it here because this is now stopped. I'm going to keep both this and this up to see. Let's see how it goes. Like, thanks, but come on, man. That meme, thank you. I think trading would be pretty simple. You should be able to explain your strategy on index card. If not, I think it's 3 too complicated and you will be thinking too much and worrying about too many. Cameron Cook, I like that. Doesn't mean pay or any other strategies. Okay. Before we get into this, because we can now properly get into this. Okay. Oh, it's gonna stop moving. I'm gonna call it there for now. Let me go touch some grass, get ready for the New York session. That was, I mean, a little bit of a slow day at times, I guess. Like I said, it would kind of chop and then run away and chop and then run away. Not great for my market auction strat, but not bad for forward testing this. Yeah, really not bad for forward testing this. Let's see. I'm going to come back later, see if this was a hit or a miss. See if I was maybe too greedy with this. Theoretically, TP should have been around here at 610. Yeah. So let's see. That's all I'm going to say. Let's see. So if you guys want to see with me, come back for the New York session. Don't forget to press that like button. If you guys want discounts on any of the prop firms I'm affiliated with, you can use my code. And there is a Discord in the description below if you guys want to join. But that's all for now. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. Thank you for being the best community ever. And thank you just for always keeping me entertained on days like these. Okay. I love you guys madly. See you New York Open.